Please be seated. Bore da a croeso I Prifysgol Caerdydd. Good morning and welcome to Cardiff University and this 2019 graduation ceremony. My name is Gareth Powell and I'm the Vice Chair of the University Council. Graduation today is without doubt one of the great and significant highlights in the university calendar and is undoubtedly, for you graduands, one of the highlights of your life. Welcome to this great day of joy and celebration. I do hope that all of you who are here to receive an award and all of you who have come to support those who are receiving awards will savour each and every moment and rejoice in the hard work, dedication and sheer achievement that we are about to acknowledge and appreciate this morning. Graduation, naturally, gives us an opportunity to look back on our time at university and to acknowledge achievements and discoveries. It reminds us that acquiring a university education is no mean feat. So I commend you, not only for the award you receive today, but for securing a place in this world-class, world-leading university. For you have today demonstrated your commitment and your enthusiasm for learning and inquiry. We are proud, deeply proud, of the experience and educational opportunities that are offered at Cardiff University. The chances to question and to explore, to probe and to understand, and to work hard for the common good and make a contribution to public life. I hope very much that all that you have learned about challenging conventional wisdom will stay with you for the rest of your life. During your time here, you may have engaged with the various sporting and student societies organised by the Students' Union, or participated in the hugely successful and significant university volunteering scheme. Whatever you have done, I hope you will leave with a sense of enjoyment. There may, of course, if you are leaving Cardiff, be a sense of some sadness that you are leaving this vibrant and diverse city. But you do so with a whole host of memories and, of course, the possibility always of returning. In times of considerable political and economic uncertainty, we at this university are proud of our track record of ensuring that those of you who graduate today are outward-looking and willing to embrace the international community in which we play our part. And so, whatever follows today, I urge you to continue in this open-minded spirit in whatever career you choose to follow. For of course, this graduation is also an opportunity to look forward. And as in a few moments you cross the stage, as you leave this ceremony, you will take your place in the wider community of Cardiff alumni, a global, exciting and diverse community of graduates of this university, a community of people who have taken part in groundbreaking research, in entrepreneurial activities, in a whole range of professions and a whole range of walks of life. And indeed, we mark one such noteworthy individual in the alumni community today as we welcome James Golston to receive an honorary fellowship of the university, a former student in the School of Journalism and now the president of ABC News. This is all an indication that as we celebrate the achievements of the School of Journalism, Media and Cultural Studies, and also the School of Politics, so we engage in a whole raft of exciting opportunities. So enjoy today. It will pass very quickly. Savour every moment. If you have come as a supporter, clap and enthuse during the ceremony, and afterwards remember to tell them how proud you are of their achievements. And those of you who are receiving an award will have an opportunity later to say thank you to your friends, families, and supporters. I now have the pleasure of introducing Elin Arvon, who is a master's student about to embark on her PhD studies here at the university. Elin will read the proclamation and also a poem commissioned from Wales's inaugural poet, Gwyneth Lewis. That will formally open our ceremony, and we will begin the award of degrees. Enjoy today, and enjoy all that follows. Diolch yn fawr.
Education by Gwyneth Lewis. Beiddia feiddio, gwellhad o wneud, myna geisio, parcha ddweud. Traws newidiad fydd dy glod, dy ddyfodol, menter o bod. Learning's a passport that returns you home, a better person. It permits you to dare being daring, makes you secure with not knowing everything, helps you welcome some failure, forges an alloy with others' thinking. It is simple delight in mind and its motions. Scintillates, but isn't deceptive. Admits the joy of institutes, is the open road to everywhere but bigotry. It's the shortest distance between you and me. And, if you're lucky, it never ends. I will now read the proclamation, first in Welsh, then in English. Nerth gwlad ei gwybodaeth. Boed hysbys I holl aelodau'r brifysgol ac ar hyd y lled y byd fod cynulliad o Brifysgol Caerdydd yn cael ei gynnal heddiw ym Mhrifddinas Cymru. O dan awdurdod siarter frenhinol y brifysgol, mae'r cynulliad hwn yn cyfarfod I dderbyn y myfyrwyr sydd, yn rhinwedd eu hastediaethau a'i hysgol heictod wedi'w harholi'n briodol yn unol â statudau'r brifysgol ac wedi'w cael yn deilwng o'i graddau. Wrth ddathlu llwyddiant y rhai sy'n graddio yn y cynulliad hwn, fe'i hatgoffwn o'i cyfrifoldeb I gyfrannu o werthoedd y brifysgol hon. Nod iddynt hwy i'w ceisio, drwy eu cyflawniadau, wasanaethu'r lles pawb, ymdrechu sicrhau rhagoriaeth ym mhopeth, ac yn boeni am ddyfodol ein byd. Gwrandewch yn awchus ar ddoethineb, gan ei fod yn cynnig gobaith a gwirionedd ym mhob cenhedlaeth. Nerth gwlad ei gwybodaeth. A nation's strength is in its learning. Let it be known to all members of the university and throughout the world that today in the capital city of Wales, a congregation of Cardiff University is taking place. Under the authority of the university's Royal Charter, this congregation meets to receive those students who, by virtue of their studies and scholarship, have been appropriately examined according to the statutes of the university and found worthy of their degrees. We celebrate the success of those who graduate in this congregation and in doing so, remind them of the responsibility to share in the values of this university. It is for them to seek, through their achievements, to serve the common good, to strive for excellence on all things, and care for the future of our world. Be attentive to wisdom, for it offers hope and truth in every generation.
Bore da, good morning. My name's Karen Holford and I'm the Deputy Vice-Chancellor of Cardiff University. It's my pleasure to warmly welcome all students to receive their award. This is the part of the ceremony where all the students' names are read out by a senior member of the university. This is a day for celebration, and we do want you to celebrate as your loved one crosses the stage, so please feel free to clap, shout, cheer, make a noise. It's very important to hear the name of the next student, so as your loved one crosses the stage and shakes hands, then if the applause finishes, please, so we can hear the name of the next person. And then, once all of the students for the particular award have crossed the stage and returned to their seats, they will be asked to stand. At this point in the ceremony, and at other equivalent times, it's a tradition of our university for me to speak in Welsh to receive each group of graduates to their award. The Welsh phrase I will use is translated as such: through the authority conferred upon me by the university, I receive you to your award with all the privileges it confers. Congratulations. Okay, we'll now proceed with the awards.
I, Professor Stuart Allen, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Arts. Marie Claire Josephine Alfonso. Asha Very Burrell. Amelia Barnacut. Amelia Kate Beltrow. Jordan Harback Butterworth. Sophie Callery. Megan Cope. Katerina Dassey. James Davis. Alice Dunn. Rihanna Edmonds. James Edwards. Harry England. Hannah Ironman. Annabelle Francis. Georgia Page Harlan. Martha Hughes. Henry Jones. Shalman Noon. Mana Shoselva. Ellen Morris. Bradley Naylor. Sean O'Connor. Thomas Parker. Lorna Phillips. Bethany Pryor. Jessica Lucy Roberts. Kelly Victoria Scott. Anna Sykes. And Gerard Thomas. Kirsten Tierney. Lauren Wild. Georgia Winkley. Simeon Wright. Gareth Axenderry. Ramonte Bivenete. Samuel Capper. Andrea Gainey. Dylan Graham. Priya Rian Gupta. Alice Hewitt. Katya Radoslava Hobodanova. Emilia Lansdon. Jessica Jones. Sylvia Martelli. Maxwell Model. Lewis Payne. Patrick Kakani. Leanne Reeves. Jintar Safigulante. James Taylor. Cayman Hercules. Joanna Charlotte Davis Gethebro. Victoria Zubini. Matthew Mann. Megan Bond. Brooke Bauscher. Isabel Briggs. Ben Chappell. Lucinda Elizabeth Henrietta Clark. Crystal Dela Cruz. Luke Connor Dewhurst. Sophie Demery. Magdalena Deneva. Kremislav Germano. Charlotte Feeney. Ellen Elizabeth Daisy Ferguson. Emily Hatterson. Carisha Herman Wang. Rebecca Hodgson. Seyun Hua. Shakil Jack. Dylan Jenkins. Jiachi Kwak. Lee Mays. Emily Mitchell. Violina Nedkova. James Odende. Alexandra Pakiela. Jack Phillips. Joseph John Phillips. Lowy Rowlands. Tiffany Shimantong. Amy Elizabeth Underwood. Henry Underwood. Jessica Catherine Walkley. Abigail Wilson. And Lucy Abraham. Charlotte Bailey. Isabel Bolton. Ashley Boyle. Jesse Brandon. Sophia Bitsios. Megan Carter. Shannon Clark. Paris Collingborn. Amy Cresswell. Patrick Cunningham. Evangeline Davis. Corin Day. Kirsty Douglas. Abigail Dudbridge. Yasmin Evans. Gwennon Gravel. Laura Greenlee. Georgina Hoare. Georgia Holmes. Flora Elizabeth Bartley Hood. Abby Hudson. Isaac Xavier. Elsie Ross Jones. Imogen Kilman. Catherine Langdon. James Lawson. Darian Lee. Katie Lewis. Melanie Lynch. Jonah Mayo. Sophie Miles. Jordan Owen. Connor Pierce. Karis Piernas. Carrie Pether. Aisling Power. Caitlin Pugh. Abigail Redding. Lauren Reeves. Karis Rees. Jade Rushby. Alid Russell. Emily Sally. Tanya Saunders. Sophie Shepherd. Darren Symbol. Kaya Simon. Imogen Smith. Bethany Sutton. Ashley Charles Stereo. Lauren Stocks. Megan Thomas. Emma Vidia. Taylor Willis. Georgina Windsor.
I, Professor Roger Awan Scully, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Arts. Megan Finty Griffiths. Benjamin Ditton. Nadia Farouki. Ellis Garamzadji. Christopher Haynes. Ross McGarchy. Thomas Mark Osborne. Joe Scarce. Henry Vass. I, Professor Roger Awan Scully, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Economic and Social Studies. Sai Wandana. Balal Anjum. George Thomas Baldwin. Catherine Berry. Charlie Briggs. Samuel Brooks. Simbarashi Chaburaka. Yu Yan Zhong. Lucinda Louise Cook. John Hayden Davis. Emma Duncan. Zoe Eckersley. Matthew Edwards. Christian Ettinger. Lucy Rafaela Fahar. Eleanor Fawkes. Max Gilliver. Sean Goff. Lucy Ray Golding. Eleanor Goodridge. Emily Beatrice Green. Eleanor Griffin. Rebecca Henry. Emily Hyam. Leonie Sophie Hill. Christopher Holiday. Alicia Hunt. Nadia Hunt. Ruslan Esrafilov. Laura Johnson. John Jones. Andrew Keener. Georgina Lucy Wild Kelly. Matthew Lavery. Dan Major. Jack Lawrence Martin. Ali McCallum. Robert McCulloch. Brent McComish. Louis Mertens. Owen Mitchell. Otobong Ma. Nicholas Ryan Morgan. Thomas Hugo Morgan. Isabel Nixie. Patrick Nolan. Tim Oliver. Gareth Owen. Taylor Ross. Josh Simpson. Georgina Smith. Sophie Chanel Smith. Jemima South. Lily Spires. Jasmine Stevendale. Susan Tate. Alice Victoria Thompson. Fatah Mohammed. Clarice Thorne. Robin Douglas Anthony Foskill Schleigwein. Cara Ellen Walkden. Bethan Walters. Helena Wickley. Kit Williams. Matthew Williams. Thomas David Williams. Molly May Brown Wingate. Emily Wood. William Woodings. Benedict John Wright. Marta Fracaro. Leah Korean. Olivia McCone. Darina Nikolova. Tyke O'Shaughnessy. Liam Ruckersberg. Holly Stone. Joshua Upton. Matthew George Philip Adams. Sean Cole. Caraldog Davis. Michael Davis. Kieran Dorr. Keith Della Trinidad. Lucy Elizabeth Devlin. Georgia Kate Elsey. Maxwell Ems. Carrie Larissa Evans. Corey Gooding. Fraser Gordon. Guillaume Arthur Antoine Goujon. Aaron Gulson. Dale Hargrove. Jasmine Hinson. Joshua Hurst. Lydia Stephanie Jackson. Duncan Jameson. Francis Krajewski. Sheldon Joseph Savio Lobo. Yannick Marriott. Amy McCall. Hannah McCarthy. Piers Morris. Eleanor Jane Mullen-Jones. Jake O'Neill. Chris Alid Owen. Munro Page. Lewis Popplewell. Benjamin Simon Mackenzie Ross. Lauren Rutherford. Oscar Sheehan. Christian Smith. Antonia Elizabeth Stonock. Toby Strong. Chris Peter Thomas. Alexander Jeffrey Thompson. Richard James Brett Thompson. Aaron Roigdenhill. Natasha Marie Way. Georgina Lee Williams. Yoshen Yang. Alana Hannah Davis. Yordanka Vasileva Dimcheva. Margot Girard. Roxanne Hubert. Ayla Sadran. Anna Sandor. Sarah Grace Biffin. Anir Clwyd. William Dagnall. James Evans. William Everly. Emma Flood. Asfath Ivham. Francis Jones. Jack Thorpe Yon. Sadir Ahmed. Matthew Argyle. Casey Boswell. Molly Gloucester. Hugh Ewan Davis. Pierre de Gary. Stanley Ellis. Caroline Getley. Thomas Holcroft. Lewis Hooper. Callum James Littlemore. Joseph Gwilym Thomas Morgan. Cameron Oldroyd. Jack Satterthwaite. Benjamin Neil Shepherd. Lucas Patrick Short. Derry Wilcox. Lucy Wilkinson. Bethan Louise Williams. The Deputy Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand up? Troi'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniad chi I gael eich dyfarniad a holl ffrentau a ddaw yn ysgil. Llongyfarciadau. Congratulations. Diolch. Thank you. You can now sit down.
Rwy fi, yr Athro Damien Walford-Davies, yn cyflwyno'r rhai sydd wedi derbyn y dystysgrif ôl-raddedig. I, Professor Damien Walford-Davies, introduce those who have received the postgraduate certificate. Delgabaya Odku. I, Professor Damien Walford-Davies, introduce those who have received the postgraduate diploma. Emily Sarah Turner. Shinos Sian Merriman. I, Professor Damien Walford-Davies, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Arts. Emilia Louise Belly. Rachel Brown. Erin May Campbell. Carwyn Morgan Eckley. Caddy Harv Edwards. Rachel Marion Evans. Richard Evans. Felix Forbes. Claire Fox. Holly Gibbs. Daniel Alexander Hurd. Rhiannon Hopley. Jake Horton. John Jarman. Anwen Fleer Jones. Ornia Cohen. Mark Mater. Alexander James Mladenovich. Kavita Patel. Eleanor Rice. Jamie Summers. Richard Louis Thomas. James Woolcock. Fatima Geth. Rachel Phillips. Ina Sander. Angela Stiliano. James Watt. Magdalena Crabb. Raquel Cruz Rodrigo. Mada Dave. James Gattaker Matheson. Ying Han. Huang Shimiao. Yishi Huang. Bethan Hunter. Bethan Rose Jenkins. Jade Levine. Yarui Lee. Song Tao Lin. Han Yi Liu. Eddie Merez. Priyanka Mehta. Jin Mei. Wenyi Mo. Natalia Riley. Lulwa Hussein Roda. Teresa Rodriguez Moran. Alex Sidwell. Jishuan Song. Rosemary Florence Toy. Mariella Ines Wilkinson Diaz. Juliet Bewua. Sheng Bi. Lily Blinko. Nana Boachi Adom. Lok Kwan Chan. Kelsey Douglas. Andrea Valeria. Idoia Guma Lopez de Brinas. Lewis James. Callum Jones. Elodie Dewan. Henriette Jessica Kadar. Margarita Kuklaki Nuduru. Tirsa Croywell. Bethan Moore. Lorraine Audrey Aikinyi Muganda. Eftia Nuremi. Jacob Painter. Young Penn. Bethan Perry. Ed Priest. Fionn Roberts. Zhongwei Liao. Denise Supper. Zulfia Temiral-Gilieva. Harry Islwyn Thomas. Oliver Thomas. Ellie Thompson. Antonia Mitkova-Vacheva. Louise Victor. Lewis James Jamal Williams. Xuan Yijin. Aino Ahonyemi. Rhiannon Eleanor Arden. Elizabeth Beckett. Ellie Bonham. Victoria Ita. Glyn Restel. Romy Riffle. Chris Sapwell. Anjali Balasubramanian. Charlotte Hart. Patrick Cremona. Daniel Gibson. Andrila Gupta. Gemma Harris. Guy Hurst. Sophie King. Emmett McGonigal. Filiz Mehmedova. Kelsey Rees. Heather Wald. Christopher Wallace. Jack Averty. Hannah Butler. Rory Claydon. William Cole. Alex John Cutler. Sam Ferguson. Marcus Hughes. Danielle Hussein. Thomas Moody. Bronwen Weatherby. Glenn Edward Williams. Josephine Scarlett Barrett. Shabrina Hazania Basri. Matthias Hayab Richard. Isaac Kneebone Hopkins. Ellen Lamb. Anders Egedal Pedersen. Harry Morgan Thompson. I, Professor Damien Morford-Davies, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Economic and Social Studies. Sarah Allen. Matthew Francis Bryant. Bethan Clark. Hugo Dormer. Catherine Sarah Evans. Catherine Joanna Yanucci. Grace Victoria Anita Piddington. Alex Williams. Jack Brown. Caris Eva Fry. Amy Eleanor Alma Harrison. Sophie Elizabeth Isles. Karen Kimberley. Hugh Llewellyn. Sophie Terrell. Chris Bynon. Stefan Bryn. Leanna Davis. Lewis Eldred Davis. Luke Fletcher. I, Professor Damien Walford-Davies, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Science. Daniel Clark. Jonathan Patrick Fagg. Keshap Raibaji. I, Professor Damien Walford-Davies, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Arts. Iftekhar Ahmad Iftekhar Kashmiri. The Deputy Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
So again, would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand? Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniach chi I gael eich dyfarniad a holl ffrentau a ddaw yn y sgil. Llongyfarchiadau. Congratulations. Diolch, you may now be seated.
The following students to be presented have achieved a doctoral degree, and in recognition of their achievements in research, they will be presented to the presiding officers who will shake their hand in turn. I, Professor Damien Walford-Davies, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Philosophy. Jiang Qiao Jian Sawadki. Chulin Gong. Lou Toscano Davis. The Deputy Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
I need to give them time to get back to their seats. Okay. Would the three students who have just crossed the stage please stand? Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi I gael eich dyfarniad a holl ffrentau a ddaw yn ysgil. Llongyfarchiadau. Congratulations. Diolch.
Bore da a llongyfarchiadau. Good morning and congratulations. My name is James Wareham and it is my honour to address you all as Vice President of the Cardiff University Students' Union. May your care ever be for the good name of our university and the well-being of our world. May your association with the university be cherished and constant throughout your lives, as you are now members of its distinguished alumni. I am sure your time here has been unique. Everyone in this hall has had to overcome challenges, and that is what makes you the graduates that you are today. But what makes a Cardiff graduate unique? Cardiff graduates have found people from all over the world they never otherwise would have met. They've sought knowledge they never would have gained and seized opportunities they never would have dreamed of. They are more than the pieces of paper that document their time here, and they're more than the handshakes that they just received. More than the gowns they wear and the caps on their heads, they are fierce and proud students and loyal friends, and together they build communities and make memories they will look back on fondly. Lastly, a Cardiff graduate never forgets the steps it took for them to get here, the hard work that they put in, and the perseverance that it takes to achieve great things. Today marks the end of an era and the beginning of the next chapter of your lives. Now it is time for you to embark on your own journey in this world, prospering your life, your families, and the world itself for the benefit of all humanity. But remember, you won't get far in life based on what you already know. You will advance in life based on what you learn after you leave here, because education in all forms does not stop after you graduate. So class of 2019, do not wait to seize your opportunities. Your time has only just begun. Diolch yn fawr.
Deputy Vice-Chancellor, the people in this room have a tremendous responsibility. You, graduating students of journalism, of politics, of media and culture, you are the people who will shape our world for years to come. And you will be challenged to shape this world at a time of unprecedented connectivity. Information and disinformation saturate us 24/7. Cynicism and distrust, hallmarks of public discourse. So you, freshly minted Cardiff alumni, what tools do you have to challenge this doubt, this skepticism? Well, Shakespeare knew the answer. So do great politicians. So do salespeople, so do fundraisers, and so do great journalists. The answer is in honest, compelling storytelling. Because when the stories you tell are both important and true, you will find that they move people. They may shock or inspire, but worthy stories, well told, can change the world. And our honorary fellow today, James Goldston, is one of the world's great storytellers. James is a Cardiff alum himself, graduating from JOMEC in '91 with a postgraduate diploma in journalism studies. And James has said during his time here, he developed a deep understanding of the craft of journalism and a hunger to tell important stories. He also, probably like you, made good friends. He met his wife here too. He now has 3 sons and lives in America with Cardiff graduate BBC journalist Laura Trevelyan. But in the 28 years since James graduated from Cardiff, he has become one of the world's most influential journalists. His parents, Jill and Jeff, who are here today, must be very proud. James is now the president of ABC News. Now, the American Broadcasting Company, it will be familiar even to our audience here in Wales. Journalists like Peter Jennings, Diane Sawyer, and David Muir. Programs like Good Morning America, Nightline, and 2020. And James oversees all aspects of ABC's news division, from broadcast to digital and radio. We will all have seen, read, streamed, or watched stories that ABC News helped to break and to tell. And to give you just one example, last year, ABC News delivered over 10 billion, that's billion with a B, video views. But 28 years ago, when the internet was still finding its feet, James began his career, like many Cardiff journalists will do, in print journalism, local print journalism. He moved into television editing and production at the BBC and later ITV, and he worked on important programs like Newsnight, Panorama, ITV1's Tonight with Trevor McDonald. James was the producer of a documentary that took 8 months to film, which told the terrible and tragic stories about one of the world's biggest celebrities, when Martin Bashir interviewed Michael Jackson. Now, since 2004, James has been at ABC News and scored exclusive interviews with the likes of former FBI Director James Comey. ABC has hosted landmark town halls with President Barack Obama and with Pope Francis. And just last month, ABC's George Stephanopoulos was given unprecedented access to Donald Trump for 2 days. Now, the wise among us will know that this special grace was only granted after James himself spent time with Trump and the administration in early June during the president's state visit to the UK. And this kind of access for ABC, for a mainstream news organization, was a huge triumph for balanced journalism in an era when the phrase fake news is regularly recited. In fact, in a world where journalism itself is under sustained attack, not just in the developing world, but everywhere, James Goldston has consistently been a successful champion of principled storytelling. His fellow journalists have celebrated James' team with countless awards. This spring, James was recognized personally with the prestigious First Amendment Service Award, and he tells me that his mobile phone went off during the ceremony. It was his son saying congratulations to him. So what are James's secrets to challenging doubt and skepticism, to being trusted to find and to tell the right stories? Now, these words are at the heart of everything James has achieved. They're his words, so listen up. He has said, "Got to dig deep Get it right. Don't take sides. Own our mistakes when we make them. Well, James Goldston, Cardiff University is proud and honored to count you amongst our alumni. We trust that many of our graduands today will be inspired by your story because you've sought to dig deep and to get it right, because you haven't taken sides, and because you're committed to telling important stories and to making sure that they are heard. Anrhydeddus is ganghelor cyflwynaf iti James Goldston, Anrhyddedd Prifysgol Caerdydd.
Diolch. James has to get the same sentence as you all got as well because he's getting a degree of the university, a slightly different sentence in Welsh. Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gan y cyngor, derbyniach chi fel cymrawd Anrhyddedd Prifysgol Caerdydd. Cloncyffagiadau. Congratulations.
Well, thank you very much indeed. Thank you all. And I have to say, it's really inspiring to see all of you brilliant graduates being honoured today. And I know you're all going to change this world. So I owe this university a lot. It's where I fell in love with journalism. As TJ mentioned, it's where I fell in love with my wife. When we were both postgraduate students here in the journalism school. I must say, I walked over to your building today, a much fancier building than the one that I learned in. Actually, very sweetly, I saw there's a picture of me actually outside, and it's right next to a picture of my wife. It was very sweet. I texted her the picture. Hope she appreciated it. But it was the education that I got in the journalism school here that gave me the skills and the confidence to build my own journalistic career. First in local newspapers, then at the BBC, and then I crossed the pond 15 years ago now to America, and I now work as the president of ABC News in New York. And the values that I learned here more than 25 years ago now really stand the test of time. Accuracy, fairness, integrity, and something I also learned from many of the graduate students that I met here, a boldness to tell the most important stories in the world, even if the personal price and the risk was often considerable. And those journalists are still putting their own liberty and life on the line every day, all over the world. And in this moment, in this era of Brexit and this era of Donald Trump, we need those values more than ever. It's definitely an interesting moment, I have to say, to be a Brit running a big American news organization. I've been called fake news. I've been called an enemy of the people, often. And on Twitter most days, I'm called all kinds of names that I can't possibly repeat here. There's a lively discourse in the world right now. But I come back to those core values that I learned here in Cardiff every day, and they inspire me every day. You know, the world needs all the straightforward, unbiased news that we can give it right now. In the end, we are just doing our jobs, and nothing is going to stop us from doing that. You know, we all stand, all of us, and all of you graduates here, we all stand for the freedom of the press. And even though it may be inconvenient or annoying to our governments, you know, if information is in the public interest, we're always going to publish it. And I know there is a lot of deep concern and gloom about how bad information is boxing out good information at the moment. And we know that there's a real issue there that requires vigilance and it requires perseverance. And make no mistake, we actually have a lot of work to do on that front. A third of Britons now say they avoid the news completely. Almost all of them, because they just don't want to hear about Brexit anymore. It's true story. But the erosion of trust in the media, the spread of misinformation online, and the threats from those who don't share our values are very real. I'm actually extremely optimistic that with fearlessness and determination that real news will win the day. And I believe, and I really mean this, there's never been a better time to be a journalist than this. And what a great time it is for all of you as you move into your careers in journalism and politics and in public service. The world is changing really, really fast. And every one of you is going to play a part in shaping and reporting on what that world looks like. When I graduated, almost 30 years ago now, it was actually very hard to tell stories to the world. We had these giant cameras and these massive satellite trucks. You know, my first job on a local newspaper, I was still using a manual typewriter, which is a terrible experience. I was very bad at it. You had carbon paper. It was terrible. But now all you need to tell a good story, all you need is a good story and a phone, and you can be broadcasting to the world, the entire world, in seconds. And there is a vast audience eager to see what's happening right now from the scene, from a source they can trust to tell it straight. And that hunger for great stories and bold and innovative storytelling is deeper than ever. From a cave in Thailand to the Arctic Circle, to the war in Syria, to the protests in Hong Kong, there are so many stories that need to be told, and I know that here today, the journalists that will go out there and tell them all. And I know Cardiff University is working tirelessly to instill strong values in tomorrow's leaders, in all of you. And looking out at all of you today, I've never been more confident that journalism will prosper and thrive in all of your hands. Thank you very much for this honour. Thank you. Thank you all.
It has been a huge joy to see those of you who have received your awards cross the platform and, of course, to cross it successfully. I hope your celebrations will continue to go on for the rest of today. And as you celebrate, I hope you will also take the opportunity to be thankful for the experience you've had at this university. And first, on behalf of those of you who have received your awards, and on behalf of the University Council, I want to thank the academic staff and all the staff of the university who have contributed to the life and well-being of this community. Diolch yn fawr I chi. I'd now like to invite those of you who have received an award today to stand, please. And it has become our tradition at this university that at this point you express your gratitude to those who have come as your supporters, those who have supported you in all sorts of ways over the last years. And so, with a great round of applause and as much noise as you can muster, please say thank you to them. Please do sit down. As this ceremony draws to a close, we're now going to share in watching the graduation film, which welcomes you to the community of Cardiff University alumni, which enables you to see some of the remarkable possibilities that lie before you, as you continue in your commitment to inquiry, to the pursuit of knowledge, and to the building up of the common good. Enjoy the film and enjoy the rest of today, and above all, continue to celebrate your association as members of this university. Diolch yn fawr.
You came to Cardiff. You worked. You played. You cried. You laughed. And you learned. From Butte Building to Butte Park. From Talabont to the Tav. You made memories and friendships that will last a lifetime. And you made your mark on Cardiff University.
We made lifelong friends, and we're still in touch. We still have reunions. And I have to say, of course, I met my husband in Cardiff.
I turned up in Cardiff in October of 1979, a very different city to what it is today. Student life in Cardiff then and now was great fun.
Cardiff University ranks as, one of the top universities in engineering, so it's the only university I applied for, actually.
I wanted to meet new people and enjoy my social life, I guess, as well, and I thought Cardiff gave me the opportunity to do that.
I had a huge amount of fun here. There are friends that I've kept over the years that I met on the course here at Cardiff.
Cardiff is a young city and an eclectic city. I never wanted to do it all over again. I don't think I would ever want to study anywhere other than Cardiff.
My English is Chinese English with some Welsh accent.
The week we played England in 2013 and beat them in Cardiff. England came for the Grand Slam in Cardiff and we blew them off the park. I sent my finals that week.
But your Cardiff journey doesn't end here. Cardiff will always be a part of you. Edrychwch o gwmpas. Look around. This is a room full of brilliant minds, talent, strength, ambition. You have worked so hard and discovered amazing things together. Today, you become Cardiff alumni, ready to shape the world with ideas, designs, dreams.
I think the experience doesn't stop with graduation.
Yeah, Cardiff had a massive impact on, I guess, me as a person.
It enabled me to have the confidence to campaign for many changes, for disabled people.
The values that were instilled all set me in incredible stead.
I'm forever grateful to Cardiff University for allowing me the ability really to study alongside my playing career.
Your time at university is what shapes most people.
Always carry with you the good values of being kind to people, being honest to people.
Certainly, without Cardiff, I wouldn't be where I am today. There's no doubt about that.
So let's go forward together. Go out into the world and make it a better place for everyone. And remember, no matter where your ambitions take you next, Cardiff will always be here.
Llongyfarchiadau.
Congratulations.
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 Llongyfarchiadau.
Congratulations.
Cardiff is so proud of you. Croeso. Welcome to our alumni community.